Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you are going to enter the payment method on your iPhone or iPad device and you are facing this type of problem, cannot verify payment information, contact Apple Support for more information. So in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this type of problem while entering the payment method on your iPhone or iPad device. So here, first of all, you will need to tap on done. Then here you will see that here is a problem while entering the payment method cannot verify payment information. So in this video I'll show you the possible solutions through which you can easily fix this problem while entering the payment method. So first of all, here you will need to go back. Then here you will need to tap on add payment method. First of all, you will have to check the number of the card. Make sure that you are entering the number of debit or credit card are correct and these are not invalid. So first of all, make sure that you are entering the correct number of your debit or credit card. Then after that, here below you will have to make sure that the expiration date is not ended. Here make sure that your debit or credit card is not expired. If it is expired, then it will not be able to enter your payment method. So make sure that your debit or credit card is not expired yet. Then after that, here you will have to make sure that the security code that will be mentioned backside of your debit or credit card, which will be 3 numbers, make sure that you are entering the correct security code number. Here you can see that here is the option of security code, and here is mentioned on the backside of your debit or credit card. Make sure that this number is also correct. Then after that, here if you having still this problem, then here you will need to go back. Then again open setting on your iPhone or iPad device, then tap on media and purchases, then tap on view account. So after that, here tap on change country origin, then tap on change country origin. After that, here you will have to select your country where you are living or your bank belongs from. Here I will have to enter my country origin or the country origin where my bank belongs. Then after that, here you will see terms and conditions, and if you are agree with these terms and conditions, you will have to tap on agree. So after that, here again you will have to enter your payment method. So after that, here you will have to make sure that you are entering the correct billing address here. Then after that, here you will have to enter the name of city. Then here you will have to enter the correct zip code of your city. If you don't know the zip code of your city, then it will be checked from any browser. Then after that, here you need to enter your mobile phone number. Then after that, tap on next, and after that you will be able to enter the payment method on your iPhone or iPad device. And if you are having still this problem, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version if you are not using the updated version of iOS. So after that, these are the solutions through which you can easily fix this problem. So thanks for watching this video.